Today we're featuring our newest Logical Machines S4 tabletop version, running coffee for our customer Osito, roaster and producing company. We have mounted the weigh scale to a table for demonstration purposes as recommended.
Today we're featuring the company Osito, roaster and producer from Colombia. His farm is located in the region of Huila. The variety is variety Colombia, and we're going to be weighing and filling this coffee on an automatic motor in our tabletop model S4. Our target weight is 16 ounces that are being delivered consistently. To start and stop the process, we use the foot pedal that is located here. And by pressing on it, we stop the process.